What's up guys, it's your boy Corey, back again with another iPhone SE2 video, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2 case for the iPhone SE2. We're going to check out how exactly it fits on the phone and whether or not it's even worth spending your hard-earned money on. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in the video. So we got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2 case here. As I said, it fits the iPhone SE2. It also fits the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 7. Basically any iPhone with a display at 4.7 inches. So as I said, it's a fairly straightforward case. There's nothing, special about it. It's transparent, and it basically, if you're someone that's not looking for anything special, it's definitely a decent case to get. I paid $9.99 for it on Amazon. Put the case into the side. $9.99 on Amazon. So as I said, it's not going to cost you too much, but quickly though, I just want to show you, just want to check if there's any information here that would be of use to us. So it's nothing really, there's nothing really there. It's just telling us to remove A and B protection films, which is on the phone, which is on the case itself. Alright, so this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2 case for the iPhone SE2. As I said, it's gonna cost you $9.99 on Amazon. I will provide a link for you guys to go ahead and purchase this if you like, but it's a transparent case. It's not too thick, but I can tell that the edges, they do have a little thickness there, which is good. You actually want that because it is going to offer you a level of protection if the phone was to drop face down. So yeah, this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2 case for the iPhone SE2. So we'll go ahead and actually take off this film, which they recommend we do peel it off. So go ahead, take that off. And let's see what it looks like on our new iPhone. I've already got a tempered glass on there. So as I said, this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2 case for the iPhone SE2. Transparent, simple, $9.99. It's not going to cost you too much. As I said, it does offer a level of protections on the side, but not a lot. So if you are buying a case purely for protection, maybe you're working somewhere which is not convenient for an iPhone to drop, then, which I don't think there's anywhere convenient for an iPhone to drop, but yeah, if you're working in an environment where your phone is open to like madness, this is not the case to get. You want to probably get something that's going to cover both the back and the front. But if you're just looking for something, if you're not someone that's clumsy with your phone or anything like that, then yeah, you can get a little case like this to work with. Also, just so you know, it does attract quite a lot of fingerprint at the back, which you can see already. I just put the case on, but that's kind of that is expected. The case itself, it doesn't offer a lot of grip as well, so please bear that in mind. Again, it feels very slippery, and as I said, it's a fairly basic case. You got all the cutouts down there for your charging port and the speakers on the left hand side for the volume rocker and the silent button, and then on the right hand side we just got the power on button. So yeah, this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2 case for the iPhone SE2. Let us know your thoughts. Are you going to pick this case up? If you do pick one up, let us know what your experience is like. But yeah, if you are new to my channel guys, ensure to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and also the notification bell so that you are notified when I actually upload a video. And yeah, I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.